What's going on, guys? Back in another episode of Travis Gilland. Today, we're going to be testing out a jerk bait. This is new. It's a perch fish color. But yeah, I went fishing with it a couple days ago, and I caught two bass right off the bat, back-to-back two. So I want to make a video for y'all guys. I'm sorry I haven't been back lately, but I'm back right now, so let's take advantage of it and catch some fish. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Go. There we go. First fish. That was fast. This fish ain't looking too well. Oh! I got attacked by a turtle or something. They're definitely eating on the bottom. Lips are all red. It's sad when you catch a fish like this. It's all beaten up, and that looks really fresh too. I'm gonna hurry up, get these treble hooks out of his mouth for him. But there we go. Small little fish. Just gonna release him right here. There he goes. Well, guys, I'm kind of depressed right now because that fish was all beaten up like that. But I came here, I saw the current ripping through pretty fast. I was assuming that they would come in here because all the bait's going to be pushed up. And right when I walked, I knew bait was here. Right here, I think they're making beds. I mean, it's not that close to their spawning season, but, or maybe those are bass beds, because I mean, it is like a couple days till bass season spawns. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on throwing this jerk bait and see what we could do out here. Hopefully catch a little more. It's gonna be easier to catch them because it's metallic, and of course they can see it. And it is overcast, a little windy. Sorry about the audio. I doubt y'all can hear it though. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on casting this jerk bait on and see what we could get. Okay guys, I turned off the video camera and this guy hit it. Well, good thing this one's in better shape than the last one. I think these fish might be schooling up. It is winter. I think in winter they school up, right? I don't know. But there's that guy, much more healthy. Oh. Oh, there he goes. We're gonna see if we can get another one right here. That was my first cast in this spot. He hit it. I popped it one more time, hit it again. I'm just casting down this canal because they're looking for bait because it's current. At least that's what I'm assuming they are doing. Oh, there's another one. Sweet. Same exact spot. Today is a great fishing day. Wow, that looks like the same exact one. What the heck? But y'all saw me release that other one, right? That looks like the same exact one. What the heck? So weird. I think that is the same one. Well, I don't know. Here goes this one. And then one of the same exact thing. Oh, 3 in a row. maybe. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, there we go. Now we're just talking about hot. No way! No! Oh, I'm casting back in there. They're schooling. It's crazy. That's just grass on the bottom. Oh. It's the bad thing about any treble hooked baits. They always get caught like that using carver fire. Ugh. That was crazy. That was almost 3 in a row. There it is. 3 in a row. Oh, that's not. Oh, that's a good one. He's fighting hard. I think I foul hooked him. Guys, it is on today. That looks like the same exact one too. I think they're all schooling in groups. Oh, I'm gonna need my pliers for this one. Ouch, that hurt bad. Oh, come on. Okay. 4th fish of the day. That's crazy right there. Oh, the camera's on? Oh, that's a better one. Ooh, finally one that's giving me a good fight. Ooh, that's a chunk. There we go. Oh, decent fish. Oh, barely hooked. It just pulled. Look, it was right here. Just slip it right out. Oh, geez, the fish is like a 3.5. This is a good fish. Right there. Pretty fat fish. If we cut this fish open, filleted it, I bet there would be so much crawfish, bait fish, maybe even baby turtles right now. That's a good fish. We're gonna give this one a good release. Get down there with them. There it goes. Perfect. That's a nice fish. Oof. That was a nice fish. I haven't been in this pond for like at least a couple months now. I mean, me and my dad got some footage for my Fin Finder YouTube channel. Go check them out. My dad just got into it right now. He got like 4 GoPros. He's gonna build a good YouTube channel, I feel. Go check him out. Give him some support. Just do one act of kindness, please. Got him. Got another one. This is my 6th fish of. Oh, I foul hooked this one. Just spinning around. Dang it. Hooked and bite skills too. But yeah, like I was saying, just go subscribe, please do it. Small tank. foul hooked them, which I hate foul hooking fish. Any fish I don't like if I foul hook. Small little dink. Dang, they are schooling today. I'm happy I came out here. It's about to be a storm. Well, it was a storm today, but it's cold, overcast. Thought I would come out here with a moving bait, maybe. Or this isn't really moving. I want to say it's moving bait, like a bait that catches eyes. Got him. Back. There we go. Today is the best video ever. It is number 7 or 8. I know it's not 6. I think it's 7. Oof. Okay, guys. Here's this fish. Oh, of course, I hate when this happens. Okay, I'm gonna get this hook out, and then I'll release this fish, and I think we'll call it a day, maybe. Okay, guys, got the hook out. Just gonna toss him in right here. Okay, he's swimming off. Okay, guys, so I just released that fish. It's been like 20-ish minutes. My battery's dying on me. But yeah, so I'm gonna give it a couple minutes, see what we can do, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm just getting freezing out here, and I don't want my mom to worry about me or anything. But yeah, like I said, go check out MyFinFinder, myfinfinder.com. Log your fish. Yeah, just some grass, I'm calling it. But yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoy this video. This video was sponsored by MyFinFinder. Go check them out. They're gonna be growing a lot, and I don't want y'all to miss out. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time though, but I'm back. Like I said in the beginning, I took advantage of it, and I caught some fish for y'all. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Hope y'all enjoyed this video of T-Wood Outdoors.